everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Guri account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in Guri.me and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Guri, which looks like this. Guri is a technology that brings you a personalized resource for a healthy living. If you've got an account for Guri and you'd like to sign into it, then the process is quite easy. If you don't have an account yet registered for Guri, then you can click on the sign up button and follow through the registration process. If you already have an existing account, click sign in and then enter your email address associated with the account in the first text box. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by clicking on Forgot Password and follow the instructions till the end. After filling in both of your credentials, click Login to log in and access your Guri.me account. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.